guys, welcome back. My name is Sabin and this is my channel Happiness with Source. For a long time I have been thinking about making a video of my riding on my bike Duke 200, and you can see the bike is over there. Yeah, he's waiting for me. Right now I'm using a camera that I have recently bought, and it is DJI Pocket 2. So a few of my fellows told me the video consists of a lot of grains. So in this video I'm also going to cover if there is any problem with the grains or not, and let us see how the footage is gonna become. And so without any further ado, let's get started. And I'm shooting at 4K 60 fps. Okay, so that's for now, and I'm also using Pro Mode. Okay guys, so let's get started. So guys, I personally recommend this helmet, and it is from Bilmola. Okay, I'm not actually doing a paid promotion, but I really feel great with this helmet. So I totally recommend to all my fellow bikers. Okay, so you should take a look at this one. Okay guys, finally we made it. Yeah, it's too rush. Okay, the one of the main thing is here the police doesn't do anything. They simply sit like a statue.